South Vietnamese troops trained by U.S. military advisors go into action constantly against Viet Cong hit-and-run guerrilla forces. Republic of Vietnam Air Force search and support is vital in isolated areas to flush the concealed communist guerrillas from their hiding places. U.S. training specialists in counterinsurgency stay on the job to help South Vietnamese fight to maintain freedom. In the past year, counterinsurgency training increased so that we'll have more specialists in 1964 to help any free world ally or partner facing internal communist attack.